Crumble'Bee Camaro update video. Now this is what's planned for the build. That can change, but 70 Camaro front end, split bumper, and tail panel and stuff will be put in this car. Now upcoming videos will show us patching these quarters. We're gonna have a ton of content on this car. We got to patch this quarter here and this walker panel. We got to patch right here on the car. I got some rust to take care of here. This trunk is actually gone. If you pop this trunk, it's eat out. All it says is fiberglass, and yeah, it needs a trunk lid. Got a normal patch on these Camaros, need patched right here. The walker panels is still in the same shape. They need patched. Just more work, but easy to patch now than later. The front fenders need a little patch, easy to do. We're placing door locks in these doors because you can see they pretty well bad. The interior still looks the same. The duplicate dash and everything is held up well over 2 years now, and as you can see, it is not peeling off. We got bucket seats we got to put in if we don't change our mind. Everything in this has been painted with duplicate, even the carpet. Door needs adjusted, probably needs bushings. We can fix that too. They want these Camaros like that. As I said, if we go with 70 tail lights with the small bumper, we have to weld the tail panel in here and get all that situated. The gas tank should work. All this right here will technically should be the same. We'll need to make a gap filler right here. Should be simple to do. So this is what's under the hood. It's no longer got an LS in it. If you've seen this car in previous videos on my channel, it's got its own playlist. It used to have a LS in it. Now it's still got its posi track unit and all that good stuff, but it now has a fresh rebuilt 350 small block with Vortec heads, great improvement, a small cam, 2200 style, that Performer intake, and that Holley double pumper. The car does great. It's got that performance flamethrower distributor in it. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better running little street car motor. Does great. New radiator too. This is actually a 3rd gen Camaro radiator with dual fans. So, works out great. Now, this car will also probably be getting a cow hood. So, that'll be a cool video, how to install and adjust the cow hood. Be changing that nose piece over if we go with split bumper, the back bumper as well. It's not a complicated build, and if you looking to change your 79, because that's basically what this car started out as, a 79 Camaro, and change it into a 70 some split bumper, very doable. Even the back window, if you wanted that small back window and you needed to put whole quarters on the car, you could technically just buy 70 quarters. It should come with the window track, and you just cut and weld your window, you know, the little track where you beat a window seal, you just weld that back to the original one right here. It should split apart somewhere here, and then the 70 quarter will be able to put your small back window in it. Or you probably could build this section right here if you had an English wheel, and just build that and put a channel in it. You know, stuff like that you can do yourself. I'm going to be building a fastback Mustang out of a coupe soon, so you know that's another video. Yeah, it's a Crumble'Bee, and there's going to be plenty of update videos on it, so I hope you enjoy. Be sure to hit that notification bell if you're excited, and any ideas on this, let me know. You know, maybe some other videos you like to see done to this car. And also the car is going to be kind of a gray color with black stripes. It's going to look really good. So thank you for watching this video. Drop me a like, hit that subscribe button if you're new, and yeah, it's going to be a fun build.